Hi all, welcome back to the video. I hope we all are doing good. So today I would be sharing the steps how we can fix the issue where the icons are deleted or disappear from our taskbar. So this is a very common issue which usually happen. It's not an issue actually, it's a feature of Windows 10 for which we most of us are not aware of. So that's why I'm creating this video. What actually happened is that in Windows 10 we have the feature to turn on the tablet mode. So that feature is effective for the computers which are running with touch screens. So as currently we don't have that touch screen installed, and that's why we face the issues. So what we need to do is that we just need to click at the right bottom corner, which is the notification icon. Once we click on that, and we just need to click on this tablet mode icon over here. Once we click on that, it will reappear in the same shape it was before, where you have all the icons at the bottom of your screen and you can start using it. So this is all for the video, guys. If you do like the video, like it. If you didn't like the video, do dislike it and share your feedback over the comments. That would be really appreciable. Hope to see you soon. Till then, bye bye.